The scale this morning said 177. That means I am 9 pounds away from goal. Like, oh my gosh. So 9 pounds away. And then my eating is going to change. And then I've got to become that gym rat again. I have to because I got to get back the muscle I've lost. But right now we don't care. We just want that scale to move. So, but healthily. So we're not going to be stripping away meals and stuff. I mean, yeah, I'm putting my lunch and breakfast together, but it's still the same food I've been eating all along. I'm just making a big brunch. Anyway, so yeah, 177. I'm down 161 pounds. Woohoo! Lunch today is 7 ounces of pork loin, 2 servings of Normandy blend vegetables, 4 ounces of shrimp, and 2 servings of the Parmesan. It's that old green Parmesan shredded cheese or grated cheese. So that is my lunch today. It is 11:20 and I'm hungry. Oh, and I've already had my protein coffee for my breakfast. Forgot to tell you, I'm going to put some of this Tony's Creole seasoning on it. And then I'm going to put some Dano's Original. Got this at Walmart. Got to have the flavor on it. Okay, there you go. Now, that's what I'm having for lunch. Hey, so in preparation for my trip, I have one of these little empty containers and it's got a little shaker lid for it. So instead of taking all these different seasonings, I'm going to just kind of mix them up. So I'm going to put in some Slap Your Mama, no specific amount. Enough to cover the bottom. And then I'm going to put in some, since it's beef, I will want some of this umami. I'm going to put in some adobo. And I'll put in some of smoked paprika. Okay. So that's all of it in there. So I'll make sure it's closed and shake it up. And for supper tonight, just so I kind of have an idea of how it tastes, got my ground beef. I'm checking the temperature here. I've got my 93% ground beef and my 7 ounces of the real thin steak strips. These were stir fry. So I'm going to put some of the seasoning on it and see what I think. Probably should put some salt in it, but let me taste it this way first. I think there's 1 or 2 veggies that I missed whenever I was pulling the veggies out, but that's okay. I had veggies for lunch. I'm not anti-veggies, just ease them back a little bit. Definitely needs more. And I might need to add some salt to it. Let me try this first. I can smell that paprika. Let me see. Yeah, that's good. Sorry, alarm went off. That's good, but I am going to add some salt to it. There we go. I don't need a ton of it. Like I said, it's only 3 days worth of meat. But, all right. So now I'm just going to take this to season my meat with. And this is what I'll be eating for supper tonight. And there's all my info and calories and stuff. Have a good night.